In today's video, we will talk about how to change your Instagram password if you forgot it. For doing so, I will just open my Instagram, and here you can see that this is my account, and if I go to my profile section, then this is my username. Okay, so first step is you just have to remember your username. Now cut this option and open any browser. I will just open Chrome browser and I will go to instagram.com. After that, click on this login option. Now write your username here. After that, click on this forgot password. You can write your email or phone number so that you can get a link for logging into your Instagram. I will just enter my phone number here. After that, I will just click on this send login link. They have sent a link to my phone number. I will just wait for that link. After waiting for some time, in my message portion you can see that I have received a link for resetting my password. I will just click on this link and select Instagram. Now here there is an option for changing password. I will just write my new password here. Now at the bottom you have to re-enter your new password. Your password has been changed. Just click on this save password and I am again logged into my account. Okay, so that's all for now. I hope that you have liked this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.